Three, two, one. やられた In Akihabara railway station, there is a Beyblade random matches happen. So there's a lot of class to wait so many Beybladers come in and battle. I'm going to Beyblade battle. Go! I had 5 match, but I couldn't win. Only the 1 match. He is so strong. If you visit the Japan, come to the Akihabara and go to the Beyblade battle shop. I'm sure India has a lot of Beyblade fans. What other anime is your favorite? Comment below.